Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious rock candy without corn syrup, using an easy method right in your kitchen. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of granulated sugar and 1 cup of water. For the setup, grab a clean glass jar and a wooden skewer or a piece of string. If you want to add some flair, have your favorite food coloring and flavorings ready to go. It's a fun and rewarding process. Now, let's create our supersaturated sugar solution. In a saucepan, combine 2 cups of granulated sugar with 1 cup of water. Gently heat this mixture over medium-low heat, stirring continuously until every single sugar crystal has completely dissolved. It's crucial not to let the solution boil, as this can hinder proper crystal formation later on. Once clear, remove it from the heat and allow it to cool down just a bit before moving to the next step. With your solution cooling, it's time to prepare for crystal growth. Take your wooden skewer or string and dip it into the sugar solution, then roll it in some dry granulated sugar. This step is super important as it creates tiny seed crystals, giving your rock candy a perfect starting point to grow. Carefully suspend the skewer or string in your clean glass jar, making sure it hangs freely without touching the bottom or sides. Then, gently pour the cooled sugar solution into the jar. Now comes the exciting part, watching your rock candy grow. Place your jar in a cool, quiet spot where it won't be disturbed. You should start to see tiny crystals forming on your skewer within about 24 hours. For truly impressive results, allow your rock candy to grow for anywhere from 7 to 14 days. Once they've reached your desired size, carefully remove them from the solution and let them dry completely on parchment paper before you enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.